Hello and welcome to video demonstration of the Sydney's airport simulation using Flexsim 5. First, I would like to explain the layouts and the features of the airport. The airport can be divided into two major terminals: International Terminal and Domestic Terminal. On the backgrounds, the simulation has been placed onto a satellite map, distracted from Google Earth. The southwest direction of the airport is the direction toward Wollongong. To the northeast is the direction to Sydney's CBD. The blue area represents Botany Bay and the Pacific Ocean. Now that the general features and location of the airport are explained, I would like to move on to the details of the runways. The airport made up of 3 runways. The main runway is the north-south runway with the indication of 16R and 34L. This runway is capable of handling aircraft up to the size of A380, which is the largest passenger aircraft. Similar to the main runway, the east-west runway also capable of operating largest commercial passenger aircraft. The parallel runway to the right of the main runway have the indication of 16L and 34R. This runway only capable of managing aircraft up to the size of Boeing 747 when conditions such as weather is favored. The terminals and runways are linked by series of taxiways. This simulation have not taken every taxiway of the actual airport into account because it would overcomplicate the whole simulation. Taxiway T, L, B, and C are in charge of conveying the aircraft from and to the parallel runway and the terminals. Taxiway A, B, and C have the purpose of delivering aircraft between the terminal and the main runway. This section of the simulation show how the aircraft landed on the runway and exiting onto taxiway A. From this viewpoint you can see an illustration of the holding pattern. Before each aircraft enter the final landing approach, it have to enter the stack to filter out the excess traffic. The stacks and holding patterns are represented in this simulation with dotted line. Here you will see a plane enter the holding pattern as its proximity is too close to the leading aircraft. The aircraft will take total time of 4 minutes to complete one oval of holding. The plane will enter the final approach when the enter is available or when advised by air traffic control. The following is the whole simulation with 300 times of the actual speed. The simulation started from 6 a.m. which is the open time of the airport and ended at 11 p.m. which is the time of closing for the airport. Until now you can see that the number of aircraft in the domestic terminal is vastly outnumbered the aircrafts in the international terminal. Furthermore, from the observation we can clearly saw that the main runway is being used extensively and the remaining are underused. This view concludes the simulation video with the illustration of the bottleneck area which caused delays in Sydney Airport. If two or more aircraft enter the runway with proximity less than the safety limits between leading aircraft and the following aircraft, the following aircraft will be automatically sent back to the starting point of the final approach. This illustrates the delay caused by overpopulated runway. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below.